Assalamu alaikum friends. This is Sami from Civil Engineers, and today I'm gonna talk about for a small plot which size is 15 by 30 feet. You can see this is a small area, just 450 square feet, but I designed it very fantastic. Here is a bedroom, living room, kitchen, staircase, car porch, bath, etc. So therefore you must like this video. And yes, remember guys, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, so just subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. When you press this bell icon near with subscribe button, so when I upload any new update to this YouTube channel about civil engineering, you will get notification for new updates. So therefore you must subscribe this channel with press bell icon. Let's go. What's the idea to design 15 by 30 feet plot? Let's start. Guys, this is a plot which size is 15 by 30 feet, and this is located in north-south direction. Here you can see this is roadside in south and this is north, and the size of the plot is 15 by 30 feet. This is just 450 square feet plot. Here the first one you can see this is main gate for car porch, and the size of the car porch is 10 feet by 7 feet and 2 inches. You can see this 10 feet and 7 feet and 2 inches. Its width is this width. This is 7 feet and 2 inches, and its length is 10 feet. Here you can see main door for sitting area. Near with main door you can see this is the general bath which size is 3 by 3 feet. Okay, 3 by 3 feet. This is general bath, and this is ventilation for this general bath with the side of car porch. You can see this. Now this is sitting area which size is 13.5 feet by 8.5 feet. This is 8.5 feet and this is 13.5 feet. Here you can see this is the door for the kitchen, and the size of the kitchen is 7 feet by 6 feet. This is 7 feet and its width is 6 feet. So you can see this is a small kitchen, and also size of the bathroom is also small, and car porch is also small. That's why, because this plot is very small, because it's just 15 by 30 feet. So therefore this is sitting area. You can see the sofas in sitting area. Here this is the bedroom which size is 12 feet by 10 feet 2 inches. Its width is 10 feet and 2 inches, but its length is 12 feet. Here you can see this is the bedroom. Here you can see this is the bed, and also these are the sofas in this bedroom. Here this is the staircase for first floor. Staircase which width is for this staircase, that's 3 feet. And here you can see the landing. It's the top, but it's straight staircase for first floor. You can see this is also, you can use attached bathroom for this bedroom below the staircase here, right? Which width is 3 feet, but it's from this point maybe to this one about 6 feet. You can use it. Bath 3 feet by 6 feet. Its length is 6 feet below this staircase. Okay, and this staircase is designed for first floor. So this is a small plot which size is 15 by 30 feet, which I have discussed the front of you, and you can make a screenshot from this if you need the PDF. So I think you can make a screenshot from this easily. 15 by 30 feet in north-south direction it's located. Okay, so this is my company. You can see Technoarc, designed by Samullah Stanik Zai, and this is my WhatsApp contact number. So if you have any question about this video, so you just comments. I will try to reply your answer. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.